Look at this lovely butterfly. Don't we all love to watch the little butterflies flutter by? Let's start with the outline. First, the left wing, and then the right one. It's time to draw the two cute antennae now. Now let's draw designs on the wings. You can draw any kind of design that you like. Time for the left wing. Just make sure it's symmetrical. Keep going, slow and steady. Ooh, beautiful! Time to paint. Let's start with sparkling yellow color. Slowly paint it from the antennae all the way down to the body. Very nice! Use the same yellow color on the wings too. Let's switch to sparkling red now. Carefully paint it through. Keep painting. Do you want to try some sparkling green? Yes! Green complements red. Don't they look so good together? And it goes great with sparkling yellow too. Sparkling blue color time. This looks beautiful. Now, let's use pink. It already looks so pretty. And finally, purple. We're almost done. Use sparkling aqua blue for the top sides of the wings. And last but not the least, magenta. Majestic, isn't it? Ready to flutter by with our glitter butterfly. Bye-bye.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!